I received this for free. How's it going? This absolutely massive 86-inch tall pantry cabinet from Timeless Pieces has actually blown my expectations out of the water. I didn't know what to expect going into this, but I'm really happy with the results here. This thing is huge. Tons of storage space from top to bottom. This is a great way to take, say, a small apartment and add an insane amount of extra storage space. So I primarily use this thing as a kitchen pantry. I've got a spot for teas, snacks, pots and pans, shelf-stable items like rice, flour, cereal, aluminum foil, plastic bags, whatever you can think of. But this is more versatile than just being relegated to a kitchen pantry. You can use this for anything. You can put this in your bathroom, in a garage, whatever. Build quality is pretty good for what it is. It's solid metal top to bottom. Once you have this thing put together, it is extremely sturdy, very stable. Each metal shelf on the inside is not only adjustable in height, but also has a generously heavy weight capacity, so you don't have to worry too much about overloading these. General rule of thumb, I would recommend making sure that you place heavier items down at the bottom and lighter items up at the top. That should go without saying, but some people don't think about that. This top cabinet right here actually has little punch outs on the roof of it, so if you wanted to stack a second one of these, you absolutely can. The shelves are adjustable in height. You can have these at any increment, any height difference you want, or you could completely remove shelves, even add your own custom ones. This thing is very modular and easy to customize to your specific use case. Aesthetically, looks great. I mean, it's just a plain, clean white, nice matte finish. You've got pretty metallic gold looking handles. It looks good. This thing took what used to look like basically a storage room, and now it looks nice and aesthetically pleasing back here. Now let's talk about assembly. Assembly was a breeze. However, it is quite a process. I was able to pull it off alone, but I would recommend making sure you have two people. There are a lot of components here, and it can look quite daunting when you pull this thing out of the box for the first time. Just follow the directions, take things slow, and you should be done within an hour or two. The instructions were very clear and concise. I really didn't have any issues with assembly. It just took a while. And again, I'm going to chalk that up to the fact that I did it solo. If you decide to go with the 86-inch tall version of this, make sure that you do bolt it to the wall. It comes with nice, thick drywall anchors and screws. If you can attach this to a stud, that's going to be the best case. If not, then make sure you're using those drywall anchors. This thing is so tall that you definitely need to secure it to the wall. That's very important for stability and sturdiness. You do not want something this big tipping over on you. It does have adjustable feet down at the bottom, which you can get to from the inside of the cabinet. There are little caps. You just pull them off and use a screwdriver to adjust the feet. If you're going to be placing this on uneven floors, that's a very important step to make sure that you don't miss. It's not so heavy that one person can't move it by themselves, but it's heavy. It is heavy. This thing is great. Huge amount of storage space that I did not have before, and that is always a great value in my book. So it's good stuff. Definitely worth checking out.